This instrument can be operated by 2 customers at the same time, each adjusting the parameters separately. Time range 0 to 90 minutes, default 60 minutes. F energy range 0 to 300 W. Depth 0.5 to 2.5 millimeters. Single shot, double shot mechanism settings. Record the number of operations, M1 to M5 for the parameter storage mode. Adjust the parameters and tap to store. Note: the foot pedal needs to correspond to the handle. Apply gel evenly on the operation site. Operation handle 90 vertical close to the skin. Step on the foot switch until the energy output is completed. The probe telescopic return and then remove the skin. One hand holds the operating handle, the other hand lifts the skin upwards in a fixed manner. Sequential operation in the form of stamping in order by section. Each part needs to be operated enough times. Immediately following the operation of the next place, the operation site overlap 1-3 because the probe edge of the gap to avoid there is a place did not operate to. Observe the skin reaction at any time to ask the experience of the feeling and make timely parameter adjustments. Gel-less or dry, please replenish in a timely manner. Instant results comparison. It's the same on the other side. After the operation, wipe off the excess gel. Apply medical cold compress.